This 2008 Yale 3,500-pound forklift will be in the auction of the refrigeration equipment ending on October the 26th. The machine runs great. There are no oil leaks. There is a leak in the brake cylinder because we've had to add fluid to it. We are planning to use this machine to load out all of the refrigeration equipment at the end of the auction. Therefore, the pickup on it will be Saturday afternoon at 1 p.m. For more information on this great auction, go to www.kincaid.com and click on the links to follow through so that you can register and bid.